OMG, it's come back to the garden and it's pecking on that stump that I have up on the top of my hill. Look at him go. Oh my goodness, he has returned. What a blessing. Let's just watch him. Oh my goodness, you guys, he's gotten bigger since the last time we saw him. Really, really big. He is working on that stump. I'm so glad he came back to the garden. So cool. Oh, look at him. Huge. Old Woody has returned. That's what we're going to call him, like we named him last year, was Woody. He is tearing up that stump. This is as close as I can get to him because I'm inside my house looking out the window, but you guys can see him. Oh my goodness, you guys. He was in a tree last year, but I think he wanted to try to find a new location, so he's found a new one back here in my garden. Look at the red part of his top of his head. Let me see if I can focus in anymore. Nope, that's as far as it'll let me focus. Red-headed woodpecker. Look at him go. That is so cool. Look at him. Wish this camera would focus in better, but that's okay. We'll just sit there and watch him till he flies away. He listening for something. Look at him. This is where I need my tripod, so I can just focus and let it just keep on taping, because your girl arm is getting dead. But I don't want to not stop recording because I don't want to miss any good footage of this woodpecker. This is so cool, you guys. Let me see if I can go outside and get a shot from him on the deck. If I don't, this is where I'll have to end it, because if I open the door and he flies away, at least we were able to see a little bit of the woodpecker. Let me see if I can get a better shot. Hold on. Guys, I'm on the deck now. Look at that. Now we can get a better close-up look at him. He a pecking away. Camera's trying to focus on him. Dog's out here barking. It's over here. See if I can move in a little closer. So Woody Woodpecker has returned to the garden. Wow. Because see, that's the trees where he was working on last year. So now he's come back and decided to come back to this part of the garden. I never thought a woodpecker would get that low on the ground, but he has. Alright guys, I'm going to make a quick short so you guys could see Woody Woodpecker. But I'm going to make this video so I can let you guys know and have an opportunity to see a red-headed woodpecker if you've never seen one before. Tell ya, more animals being added to Renee's garden. Ain't that something? Alright guys, I'm going to end this now. I hope you enjoyed this video of Woody Woodpecker. That's his new name that we named him. I'm hoping it's the same woodpecker, but hey, if it isn't, he's still going to have the name Woody. Alright, welcome back to the garden, Woody.